Hello everyone, welcome to Parametric Planet. In this video, I would like to show you how you can clone and compile GitHub repository in your computer. In this example, I will be cloning and compiling Sofistik Toolkit using Visual Studio. There are two ways to do that. Either you can simply download this Sofistik Toolkit from this GitHub page and then use Visual Studio just to compile this toolkit. Or what you can do, instead of downloading this toolkit, you can simply use Visual Studio to do both clone and compile this toolkit. So if you open Visual Studio, you will see this option of clone a repository. So if you select this option, then you will see further two options, repository location and the path. The repository location is basically the link of the repository which you want to download or which you want to clone. So I will simply copy this path and I will paste here. And this path is the location of the folder where you want to clone this repository, or simply where you want to download this repository in your computer. In my case, I would like to do that in this folder. So I will just copy this path and I will paste in the path option in Visual Studio. After replacing the path, you can simply hit this clone button and it will start downloading all the files from the GitHub page. As you can see that all the files from the GitHub page have been downloaded for this Sofistik Toolkit. Now the second step is to clone this toolkit. Before cloning this toolkit, I would like to show you the folder where these files will be stored. It will be stored automatically because if you check the files in this toolkit, they have already programmed everything and they have provided this location of this program data, BHoM, and assemblies. So when you compile this toolkit, these DLL files will automatically be stored in this folder. Right now, I don't have any Sofistik DLL files because I have not yet compiled this toolkit. So I just wanted to show you guys that there is no DLL files, and when you compile this one, after that, these DLL files will appear automatically in this folder. To compile this one, you just need to right click on this solution and you need to build the solution. First, it will build the solution, and after that, you just need to rebuild the solution. So once the build solution is complete, then you have to rebuild the solution. And when you rebuild the solution, you will see here in your BHoM assemblies folder, Sofistik DLL files. So now we have 3 new Sofistik DLL files. So after these DLL files are created in this folder, now you will be able to use these options in your BHoM toolkit in Grasshopper. I have followed the same procedure for Karamba toolkit also. Just to save the time, I have already cloned this toolkit in my computer. So after cloning this toolkit, you will see these two .sln files. One is with the test. I believe that the one with the test is the latest one. So if you right click on this one, you will not be able to see any rebuild or the build function. For that, you need to select one of the SLN file. So I will choose this underscore test.sln file because I believe that this is the latest one. So when you click on this one, after that, you will be able to compile this toolkit. So now if you right click on this one, and now you have the option to build the solution. When you build the solution, it will automatically create the DLL files and store those files in the BHoM assemblies folder in program data. After building the solution, you will also find these Karamba files in this BHoM folder. So you will find these three files, the one with the adapter, one with the engine, and one with the object modeling. So that's how you can clone and compile your GitHub repositories in your computer. I hope you like this video, and I hope this video will help you. Good luck, and see you in the next one. Till then, have a nice day, and bye-bye.